Alright, so this is our Seat Ibiza that we have here, Mark IV. As you can see there, we've got the spanner on and the oil light flashing. We've just done a service, so we're going to need to get that reset. So we're going to use the Autel MD702 here to see if we can actually reset that message. Okay, so we need to select Seat. There it is. Just communicating with the module. There we go. As you can see, it's got set complete there, and then the little spanner has gone, and so has the oil service message. So we'll just turn the engine off, turn it on again just to double check. There we go, we're no longer getting that message, and that is all thanks to the Autel MD702, which is available just by clicking the link directly below this video. Thanks very much for watching.